feel like I might be yelling because of my new AirPods or whatever, but we're just gonna go with it and hope I'm not yelling. But what's up, y'all? Today, back. Second day in the apartment gym since I don't currently have a membership. Working on it. Just money on a little whoop-de-whoop right now, so. I don't know why this is so fucking high, but it's ridiculous at this point. But let's get straight into it. No complaining. All this movable shit. Yeah, but we definitely should be doing the widest grip anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know, back day just feels good. Ooh, boy, I'm weak. Like I need to, my goal is to get my shoulders stronger, just be more hydrated, sleep more, just be overall healthier, bro. I just want to drink more water, hydration, stretch more, walk a lot more, and get to like 15. It says I'm at 18% body fat right now, which is a little too high on my body. So I'll probably try to get to like the 10-ish so I can see my abs again for summertime and all the extra stuff. But I think I'm gonna just keep a lean bulk from right now. So if y'all can't see my face looking all, that's probably why. Because I can't leave the gym until I'm fucking dead. So I'm gonna try something different. It's supposed to be this, to squeeze the lats, or at least try to. I can see it working. Yeah, it's like a warm-up type thing. So I'm gonna do that, probably like a couple sets, see how it feels, if I fuck with it. If I don't, kicking rocks.
Dando voltar no meu back, no meu ice, no meu lança. Beleza, mas primeiro tu mesmo. Mas primeiro tu
I can definitely say that this is definitely a workout. Cause I just don't like how it's isolated. My joints are very weak in a lot of different places, so when the workout is isolated, especially for my upper body, one side tends to get more work than the other. So that's one part I don't like about this little pull down motion. But apart from that, it definitely does activate your lats for sure. So I'm gonna do my second set and then call it a day. Well, not call it a day, but you know what I mean. on to the next type shit.
Me, they are the scum of the earth. They are all objects of my vengeance.
Y'all ready? Oh, that's how I know I'm getting somewhere. That's crazy. Wasn't even recording, man. Wasn't even recording. But yeah, all I was saying was pull downs next. This is definitely one, well, probably top 2 on my favorites for back. I would do this literally all the time, but little parts of my back won't even get targeted at all, like my lower back and like upper back. So gotta switch it up so I don't look like a fucking weirdo. At least my back doesn't look like a weirdo. But yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm probably gonna die here, so wish me luck.
Yeah, okay, that's cool. I leave your ass on red. I'm pulling up and talking, bitch, that's what I said. I'm pulling up and talking, bitch, that's what I said. Yeah, ready, brand new diamonds, yeah, they know again. I just walked in with the 5 cents in my bag. I just
Okay. I don't know, maybe it's just because I haven't used this. It just doesn't feel like my old machine or my other machines. I just gotta get used to it. Do I feel a contraction? I think so. I'm not even sure yet. But I'll definitely spin the block. Fuck. Come on. I'm not lightheaded, so that has to be a good sign, right? Because yesterday for leg day, I was shot. So I think I drank a lot more water. I'm probably gonna drink another 2 big ass bottles of water before I get in bed. So gotta stay hydrated. And I'm thinking I'm gonna prop my protein shake after my workouts instead of in the morning before I start my day. So, see if that does anything. I'll let y'all know in a couple weeks or a month or so. Life, man. Life be life. Let's get into it, man. Yeah, I'll just go up and weight by 10. See how that works. Ugh. Life, man. I don't know. I feel like as far as the channel goes, starting off with the bulking series or whatever, I feel like I might just keep it going because I know I'm not going down to the end 170 or anything, but I could definitely work my way down into like the 190s for sure, because that would be losing like 20 pounds of fat right now. 20 pounds of fat is crazy. I'm only 6 foot, 210, 211, whatever. So if I get to 190, that's a lot of weight off of me, and I'll just maintain that. And the more mass I put on, the lighter I'll be anyway. So I think I'm gonna just keep the bulking series, but it's like I'm never gonna do a show. I don't think my body's in the shape to be doing shows and shit like that. Like I don't think I look showable. Like my arms are massive. I hear that a lot. My legs are okay. Yeah, there's nothing like specifically like about my physique. I'm just average height, dark skin, with a little bit of weight on him. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think this mic is gonna pick up everything I'm talking about, but we'll see. Cause I'm looking at it. I'm seeing only 1, 2, 3, 4 bars over there. When it's on my chest, I only see 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's the same shit. That shit might twerk. I'm tripping. I might be tripping. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty much that. I don't know. I saw a comment yesterday saying, "Why am I not famous yet?" I was like, damn. Like to hear that somebody said that's like, it's like, I feel like, I don't know. I don't think it's motivation. It just makes you feel good, like you're doing something. Like you working out and you're not bullshitting in the gym. So now I really can't bullshit. I can't bullshit her. You know what I mean? So now I gotta come in this bitch and really kill myself. Like today I wrote down in my like little small pocket notebook and I was like, all right, so everything I want to change, which is the way I eat, healthy, better eat, and I already told y'all I drink more water, fucking walk more, stretch more, have more fun. Cause I promise you I don't know how to have fun. Like I know how to have fun, but I'm not the fucking dickhead. But it's like I don't have fun. I don't let myself have fun. So it's like I want to have fun this year. Like I want to enjoy living a little bit. This will be my first full year as a civilian, and they trying to deploy me at the end of the year, and I'm not going for it. So go ahead, military. Scratch that. Scratch me off the list, cuzzo. But yeah, I'm gonna just get back into the workout, man. All right, y'all. Hold on, let me pause this specific time. So right now, I think I'm I'm gonna switch from pull down. I really don't like this grip. Never really been a pull down grip I didn't like. And I don't want to do underhand because that's gonna kill my biceps. So I'm going to switch to mid rows and see what this back shot looking like. At least y'all gonna see what this back shot looking like. So pause, but yeah. I think that's good enough. I really want a good, oh yeah, that's too heavy for lat pull downs. But, I don't know. I think we did good. Probably rated a 5 so far. I don't know. These machines don't feel like, right, but we got to make it work. So I need the membership ASAP. Okay, let's get back into it, man. Let's get back into it.
Thousands of followers and the tens of thousands of enemies. You're the only one who made me forget my dream.
Come on, this is gonna see how hard we pushed ourselves. This is how we gonna know how hard we pushed ourselves. All right, let's see what Musika I want to do for this. Cause I already know this shit gonna hurt. Oh yeah, I'm not doing one. Yep. That's dead as fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna say a solid 6 out of 10. But I'll probably catch y'all in the gym, in the actual gym in like probably a couple weeks, maybe 2 weeks. I'm gonna see how this goes. Life gotta stop lifing for a little bit. But stay positive, stay motivated. What y'all think? Pumping? Oh, you got it. All right, y'all.